This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the morning star in the forest. First, you'll need to find the massive sinkhole located in the center of the game map. This area is a crucial starting point for your journey. Before descending, ensure you have a good supply of healing items, food, and a strong weapon. Preparation is key to surviving the challenges ahead and successfully acquiring this powerful weapon. Once at the sinkhole, you must enter Cave 7, often called the Chasm Cave. This cave system is extensive and filled with hazards, so proceed with caution. Use your lighter or flashlight to illuminate the path and avoid getting lost. Be vigilant for cannibals and various mutant creatures that patrol these underground tunnels. Staying alert will help you conserve resources and reach your objective. Continue following the primary route through Cave 7, pushing further into its depths. You will eventually come across a small, makeshift camp. The morning star is typically found lying on the ground within this camp or very close to it. Once you spot it, simply interact to pick it up. This powerful weapon will significantly enhance your combat capabilities against the island's threats. The morning star is a formidable weapon, known for its high damage output and wide swing arc, making it excellent for crowd control. It's particularly effective against the more resilient mutants you'll encounter. Master its use to dominate your foes and survive the island's dangers. For those who love to read, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This weapon will be a game changer for your survival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.